Hello, faithful people. I'm Orlean.
I'm Gary.
And we live in our RV full time. We've been in the same place now for 5 months, and it's time to get back on the road again. Which way are we going? Let's go down that road. We are ready to go. We've got our water bottles, we've got our maps, we've got the atlas, we've got
our phones
for GPS, we've got our GPS up here. We have everything ready to go. We've been in the Fredericksburg, Texas area for 5 months. Gary's been serving a church here, Shepherd of the Hills Lutheran Church, for the last 5 months, and we have been so blessed. Oh my gosh, the people in the congregation are absolutely wonderful. We have had so many people that have come to our aid for different projects that we've done on the RV over the last few months and everything. It's just, we have been very blessed. So today though, mixed feelings. We're going to miss everybody here. We're going to keep in touch, of course, but it is time to move on. We've got plans. We have to be up in British Columbia in 7 weeks. We've got a long ways to go and a lot of people to see in between. So I think we're all ready to go.
I think so.
Oh, wait a minute. I just thought of something. Hang on. Okay, I'll be right back. Hang on. Don't go. Just wait here. Just a few minutes. I'll be right back. Just hang on. I'm back.
Well,
ready to go?
You got back. I see you changed your shirt.
Yes, I did. I thought, it's going to be hot today. I better layer. So, what's the matter?
Something's different.
Huh.
Well, I'll think of it later.
Okay, let's get going. All right. heading west on I-10. That much will tell you. We have some places we plan to go.
We do.
And hopefully by tomorrow evening we'll be to the first one. But we'll leave that for another video. Wanted to show you just some of the preparations that we did yesterday before we could take off, and there was a lot to do, all those last minute things, but just making sure that everything was taken care of and done so it's good for another 6 months or more. So I'll show you a little bit of that. Here you go. Oh, we didn't do just the RV. We did the truck too. Gary got 2 new tires this morning, just on the back. The front ones still look pretty good. So this still needs a bath. But we got the tires taken care of, and spray painted the back end gate too. Just put on another new coat on it, and it should be good for a while yet. This is made out of wood. It was something that came with the truck. We're gonna do the hot water heater. We shut the hot water heater off, oh gosh, a few hours ago, and so the water maybe cooled off somewhat because but it has been a pretty warm day today, so Gary's got the valve open. The pump is off. That's what you wanted, right?
Yes.
And now here comes the water. It's a good idea to flush the hot water tank every once in a while.
About once a year.
About once a year? Okay. This is what Gary used the wrench for. He took this knob off so he could drain the water out. Now he's refilling it. You can maybe hear that. The water pump is on, and he's refilling the tank, so he's going to flush it again. We're going to disinfect the fresh water tank. That has to be done how often?
Every 6 months, I suppose.
Yeah, probably a good idea.
Depends on the weather. If it's hot,
yep.
More often.
Okay. So he's already mixed some bleach in a container, and now he's going to add that to the fresh water tank.
Correct, yeah.
Oops.
It's pretty exciting stuff.
Well, you're so brave wearing a purple shirt while you're working around with bleach. We wanted to use a natural product that disinfects, that you can use in place of bleach, but the company doesn't have enough research on it to say how much to use or any of that in comparison. So we're using bleach because that's what you're supposed to do, and maybe by the time we have to do it again we'll have some more information and we can do it with the other products. Bleach is very caustic, very toxic, and it can have a residue left over. We do not drink the fresh water. We do use it for washing dishes, washing ourselves, sometimes rinsing our food. There's uses where we really don't want to have bleach residue in it. So now Gary's just adding more water into there, and we have a filter here. That's what this is. Filters all our water. So when we're at a campground or something like that, we always use a filter on the hose.
Yes, we do.
And we use the same hose for fresh water everywhere we go. While the freshwater tank is being disinfected by bleach, we are flushing out the hot water heater for a second time.
And also using the bleach water to sanitize that as well. I hope it's a good thing. I think the bottom one goes into the water heater and this one goes out. This is a bypass. So you turn off these two and then the water runs from the tank directly to the water lines for both the cold and the hot without going through the water heater. There's a valve on the bottom line that goes to the water heater, comes out on the top. There's a valve on the top. Both those valves should be turned off so the water goes directly from the water tank, which is here, into the upright water line, bypasses the water heater. That'll take all of the bleached water and run it through the water lines. With the water pump turned on, and we just run it for a little while so you can smell the bleach. hot line, the cold line. Get to do the same in the bathroom and the shower.
So I left it to stay open.
Yeah.
So you flush the water through all the lines.
Yeah. That way the bleach gets into everything and hopefully cleans everything up.
And he used both the hot and the cold water. So it's coming out of the hot water tank as well.
Yes. I smell bleach all the time now. I don't know if you're picking up any.
A little, yeah, it smells bleachy. Back outside again. Gary's going to drain the freshwater tank, which is on this side.
Yeah, and it's can't get a picture of the valve because it's way back in the corner there.
Okay.
The water, hot water tank.
Like calcification kind of stuff?
It's kind of, yeah, it's weird. It's little white things.
Okay.
So maybe I should do it again. I don't know.
This is where we stayed last night, in Fort Stockton, Texas. The parking lot was full of RVs. We've never seen so many RVs in a Walmart parking lot. On the other side of us, this big blue bus came in last night. And I think it's just one single guy that was in there. That's all I saw that got out of it. And then there's a big Class A over here yet with a little tow behind it. We're going to close this up because we have big travels today. We are going to be heading to Big Bend National Park. So we slept pretty good last night. There was one guy that Gary probably saved his life. He was in a car
Right next to us with a bad muffler, and the motor was missing and it was making a lot of weird racket. Impossible to sleep through that. So I went and rapped on the window, and he was sound asleep with his car running.
Yeah.
Bad exhaust system. Probably could have been bad news for him.
Yeah.
So I'm glad for him, glad for us. It turned out to be a pretty good night.
Yeah. So that was about it. But anyway.
I know what it is.
What? What?
You change your eyeshadow. No.
That's it. Yeah. Okay. You keep working on it. All right. If you like
younger.
this, there you go. Now you're talking. Okay. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe by hitting that red button down below. Hit that little bell next to it. Ring it good, and you'll get notified every time a new video comes up.
Earrings. Ring. Earrings. Yeah? Okay. Go ahead.
Check out our Facebook page, Roads of Faith. And until next time, God bless.